If your PC has been running slower than usual or is crashing, use these steps to troubleshoot and diagnose your PC. So first, what you're going to want to do is go to Control Panel, so use Switch Control Panel. Go to View By and change it to large icons. Next, you want to go to Power Options and choose Ultimate Performance or High Performance. You can also choose Balance, but definitely do not choose Power Saver. This will slow down your PC a lot. So next, what you're going to want to do is go to Task Manager. So here you'll find the background applications that are running and all the applications that are running, and if there's something that's not supposed to be running, you can find it on here and you can close it. If you go to Performance, you can check how much of your CPU, your memory, and your GPU you're using. And for the next step, you go to Add or Remove Programs, and if you found something that you don't want running on Task Manager, you can just search it up on here. There's nothing that I don't want to install right now, so you just click on something and you just click on Install to uninstall it. Okay, so next we will be booting into safe mode. If the previous steps did not help, it may have been a hardware issue, and this is a way to check. The safe mode is pretty much just a stripped down version of Windows, which has very basic applications running. And to open it, you just hit your Windows key and R and type in msconfig like that. Next you click OK, click boot, you click safe boot, apply, and OK.